the Metonic cycle of the Earth's moon. About 432 BC, Metonius, an Athenian astronomer, discovery was made of the period of the moon consisting of 19 years, at the end of which the new moon occurs on the same day of the year. This cycle was also called the Metonic cycle, the cycle of 19 years around the sun. Metonius placed the corrections of the lunar calendar on top of this. He calculated and depicted the 19 years with 235 lunar months, consisting of 6,939 days and 16.5 hours. This he separated into 125 full moons of 30 days and 110 imperfect months of a total of 29 days each, which he called lunar months. The 235 full moons of 30 days each gave us a total interval of 7,050 days, whence it becomes necessary to retain 110 days or 1 day every 64 months. Hence, the month which includes the 64th day becomes an incomplete month. The time period of the Metonic cycle began on July 15, 432 BC. As is known, scientists today have proven that the lunar period is 6,939 days and 14.5 hours. Meton's calculations showed a separation of only 2 hours. The year begins at the 10th degree of Capricorn. Starting from the 10th, it takes 19 degrees to reach the end of the sign. From the 1st degree of Capricorn to the 11th degree is a distance of 10 degrees. 19 degrees and 10 degrees have a total of 29 degrees. The average of the interval in which a lunar month will be can be calculated by a table relating the positions of the sun to the calendar. The golden number of the Metonic cycle is a number from a year in the Metonic cycle of 235 lunar months, which equals 6,939 days and 16 hours and 31 minutes, or approximately 19 years. This serves to accurately give the date of Easter Day. The cycle begins with the year in which the lunar month will fall on the first day of January in the 10th degree of the sign of Capricorn, in which was the beginning of the Christian era, 1 AD. To find the golden number in a given year, add the number 1 and divide by 19. The remainder will show the cycle number, and if there is no remainder, the golden number 19 the golden number will be the number 19. In 1995, a new cycle began on January 1st, 1995 at 11:56 a.m. Greek time for the city of Athens. Because the set of solar and lunar dissimilarities changes in a different year, the object of determining the date and the longitude can be wrong as much as 2 days on either side, earlier or later. At the Gregorian reform of 1582, they replaced this error by the intervening day, namely February 29th, every 4 years. And this I've translated from a Greek article. Please leave your comment. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.